Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Now in this video, this is going to be a really exciting video because in this video, we are going to combine ChatGPT AI along with AMZ Scout Pro. And we're going to look over some products and evaluate those products using AMZ Scout and AI. So let's quickly jump into the video so that we can start. Hi, my name is Sami Akhtar. I'm the founder of Regrow Media. We are a team of 35 plus team members managing over 60 plus brands globally, helping them with Amazon ads. Let's go quickly dive into the screen so that I can show you exactly what and how we do it. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to go and open ChatGPT. So here we are going to use ChatGPT 3.5 instead of ChatGPT 4. ChatGPT 4 is a premium version which is chargeable, not really high. I think they charge around $20 a month, which is really good. So now I'm going to give you some prompts that we are going to use so that we can train our ChatGPT and it can start giving us profitable products. So first prompt that I'm using is what are the top niches to sell private label products online? Let me zoom it out a little bit for you. So now as soon as I hit it, let's see what it gives. So here you can see it started giving us lot of products ideas, not actually product ideas, but niche ideas. Here you can see health and wellness, health, home and kitchen, beauty and personal care, electronics, gadgets. So let's do one thing instead of, and also some list of products inside it. So let's deep dive into home and kitchen because we know home and kitchen is a vast category and we can probably get really good amount of product ideas. So the next prompt that I'm going to use is suggest some trending and innovative kitchen products niche. Now I'm not asking them to suggest products because it will probably start with some brand names or something like that, which I don't know. So I'm asking them to suggest niche so that we can further go and use the keyword research or some other methods to find more products into that niche. So now I pasted the command that is suggest some trending and innovative kitchen product niche. Now let's see what it provides. It first thing is smart kitchen appliances, which I'm sure is involving a lot of investment, so sellers will try to avoid it. Then is sustainable kitchen products, which looks interesting. Then we have specialty cooking tools, which is also looking really good. So let's do one thing. I think here what we can do is also it is suggesting a lot of product ideas into it, so that looks good. So let's do one thing. Let's go into the sustainable kitchen products niche so that we can see some sustainable kitchen products. What are popular sustainable kitchen products niche in Amazon? Let's see what it gives. Now you can see it already started giving us lot of products here. You can see as of my last knowledge updated on to September 2020 sustainable kitchen products. So here you can see all the products. It is giving us list of product or keyword ideas that we can further go and analyze. So let's do one thing here. Let's take one example from here. Let's say lighting. So probably will not go into it. Sustainable food and drink product that may look interesting. Eco-friendly kitchen linings, reusable wash paper towels, which we can use probably here. Let's see from starting. The first one is reusable food storage, silicone food storage bags, which we already know. Stainless steel food containers, that is also generic. Beeswax wraps, organic cotton wraps. I think this is something we can probably see. Beeswax wraps. So let's do one thing. Let's analyze this one and see how the market is for it. Okay, so beeswax wraps that we got, we'll go in Amazon and we'll try to search that keyword beeswax wrap, beeswax wrap. So beeswax wrap, that is what we suggest searched here. Now this is what is coming here. Let's see, let's put on AMZ Scout here. So here you can see it have already given us lot of things here, which we can see. Now, if you see here, what we can see is a lot of products. Now let's go with the, let's try to go one thing here, show here. So this is AMZ Scout Pro that I'm using, the Chrome extension. And here you can see it gives a lot of details that sellers needs. So now what you can see here is, let's go for sales. I'll change it, the sales to higher to lowest. And you can see the sales and the reviews are reviews looks really good, not so high. I think you can see there is a decent amount of sales with really low amount of reviews, which is probably a good indicator for us. Also, you can see it also gives us this hot badge. That means this product is considered hot because its sales grew by 20% or more for the past 3 months. It also gives you the past 3 months data so that you can see. You can also, one thing you can see is you can click on this and you can check on product history. Also, you can go and check suppliers on Alibaba, which is really good. And even you can download in CSV so that you can see and further put filters to get more details onto it. So now you can see it gives all the sales graph because we need it to analyze our products. Now, if I just go monthly, you can see this product doesn't have really high fluctuations. The only reason we need to see the graphs is to understand whether the product has a lot of price fluctuation or not, because if they're changing their prices a lot, it is probably a market which we do not enter. So that is really good. So I think this is all total a really good tool that you can use. And I think AMZ Scout also offers product research tool that you can use, and a lot of bunch of tools from keyword research to everything like tracker that you need to track where you are ranking and all. So I think with just by using AI and AMZ Scout Pro, we are able to find a really good product that is BWAX Wrap, and also the market looks really good for it. And that is how you can use these tools together with AI and find more profitable products for you. I think that was it for this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you again in next video.